Welcome to Worldy Global. This video is about the Bell AH-1Z Viper attack helicopter. Before enjoying this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. The Bell AH-1Z Viper is a twin-engine attack helicopter based on the AH-1W Super Cobra, designed and produced by the American aerospace manufacturer Bell Helicopter. Being one of the latest members of the prolific Bell Huey family, it is also called Zulu Cobra, based on the military phonetic alphabet pronunciation of its variant letter. The AH-1Z was developed during the 1990s and 2000s as a part of the H-1 upgrade program on behalf of the United States Marine Corps, USMC. It is essentially a modernization of the service's existing AH-1Ws, and was originally intended to be a rebuild program before subsequent orders were made for new build helicopters instead. The AH-1Z and Bell AH-1Y Venom utility helicopter share a common tail boom, engines, rotor system, drivetrain, avionics architecture, software, controls and displays for over 84% identical components. Furthermore, it features a 4-bleed, bearingless, composite main rotor system, uprated transmission, and a new target sighting system amongst other improvements. On the 8th of December 2000, the AH-1Z conducted its maiden flight. Low-rate initial production was launched in October 2003. On the 30th of September 2010, the USMC declared that the AH-1Z had attained combat readiness. It fully replaced the preceding AH-1W Super Cobra during the 20th of October 20. The type forms a key element of the Aviation Combat Element (ACE) task force, which support all phases of USMC expeditionary operations. Since its introduction, the USMC has pursued various upgrades, such as installing Link 16 Datlink and outfitting it with the AGM-179A Joint Air-to-Ground Missile (JAGM). Additionally, numerous export customers have been sought for the AH-1Z. It has regularly competed with the Boeing R-64 Apache for orders. The first export customer was the Royal Bahraini Air Force. The Czech Air Force has also ordered the type. At one point, Pakistan was set to operate its own AH-1Zs, but deliveries were blocked due to political factors. The further developed Cobra 2000 proposal included the General Electric T700 engine and a 4-blade rotor. While bells for the proposal did generate some interest within the US Marine Corps, funding was not forthcoming to pursue its development at the time. During 1993, Bell opted to enter an AH-1W based variant for the UK's new attack helicopter program. This derivative, which was named the Cobra Venom, featured a modern digital cockpit and could carry wire-guided missiles, Hellfire or Brimstone missiles. The Cobra Venom design was further refined 2 years later, notably by the adoption of a 4-blade rotor system. However, later that same year, a rival bid for the R-64D Apache Longbow was selected to fulfill the program instead. The AH-1Z first flew on the 8th of December 2000. Bell delivered 3 prototype aircraft to the United States Navy's Naval Air Systems Command at Naval Air Station Patuxent River in July 2002. For the flight test phase of the program, low-rate initial production began in October 2003, with deliveries running through 2018. In late 2006, a contract was awarded to Mega Defense Systems to develop a new linkless 20mm ammunition handling system to improve on the gun feed reliability of the existing linked feed system. In February 2008, the US Navy adjusted the contract so the last 40 AH-1Zs were built as new airframes instead of the previously planned rebuild of AH-1Ws. In September 2008, the Navy requested an additional 46 airframes for the Marine Corps, bringing the total number ordered to 226. During 2010, the Marine Corps ordered 189 AH-1Zs, with 58 of them being new airframes, with deliveries to continue until 2022. On the 10th of December 2010, the Department of the Navy approved the AH-1Z for full-rate production. In November 2022, Bell delivered the 189th AH-1Z to the US Marine Corps, completing the program of record for the Viper, combined with the 106 H-1Y airframes which completed delivery in 2018. It marked the final deliveries of the H-1 series rotorcraft for the US military since deliveries began in 1959. The Bell R-1Z Viper is an attack helicopter derived from the earlier Bell R-1 Super Cobra. When contrasted against its predecessor, it incorporates various improvements and advances, including new rotor technology, upgraded military avionics, updated weapon systems, and electro-optical sensors in an integrated weapons platform. Amongst other advantages provided by these changes, it has improved survivability and can locate targets at longer ranges and also attack them using precision weapons. The airframe was extensively redesigned to maximize crashworthiness. Measures include energy-absorbing landing gear, fuel vapor inerting systems, self-sealing fuel tanks, energy-attenuating crashworthy seating, and a mass retention design approach applied to many major components. Active systems include countermeasure dispensers, radar warning, incoming on-way missile warning, on-fuselage laser spot warning systems, and the hover infrared suppression system, HIRSS, to protect the engine exhausts. The R-1Z is equipped with a bearingless and hingeless rotor system. This has 75% fewer parts than that of four-bladed articulated systems. The rotor blades are composed of composites, which give them increased ballistic survivability. The rotor is equipped with a semi-automatic folding system, enabling the R-1Z to be stored more efficiently aboard amphibious assault ships and other means of transportation. Efforts were made to maximize its maintainability and to minimize maintenance requirements. In comparison to the Super Cobra, numerous maintenance tasks have been eliminated. Interactive electronic technical manuals have been produced, less spare storage is required, and accessibility has also been improved. Furthermore, various fault detection sensors are present to facilitate condition-based maintenance. The R-1Z is equipped with a pair of redesigned stub wings, these being substantially longer than those of the preceding Super Cobra. Each one has an additional wingtip station for a missile such as the AIM-9 Sidewinder. Each stub wing has two other stations for 2.75-inch, 70mm, Hydra 70 rocket pods, or AGM-114 Hellfire quad missile launchers. The APG-78 longbow fire control radar can also be mounted on a wingtip station. Similarly, other mission equipment can be fitted to these stations, including 77 and 100-gallon external auxiliary fuel tanks, Lu-2AB nighttime illumination flares, and numerous types of practice munitions. Underneath the nose of the R-1Z is an AA-49E7 turret fitted with a 20mm M1973 barreled rotary cannon. This weapon has a higher muzzle velocity and flatter trajectory than predecessors. It is also compatible with M50 series air-to-air rounds. As always, please make sure that you like, share and subscribe for more videos.